World leaders jostle with global executives, and anonymous men dressed in full camouflage as platters of shrimp, foie gras and cheesecake are passed around by white-gloved staff. It would all seem quite normal were it not for the fact that we're just 100 meters, 330 feet, away from the site of the worst nuclear disaster in history. A hospitality tent has been erected just inside the gates of the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant near Pripyat in Ukraine. The tent has many windows, to ensure everyone gets a good view of what's about to happen. These guests are here to witness the final stage of a 30-year cleanup job that has been underway, on and off, since one of the plant's reactors exploded in 1986. The Chernobyl disaster still casts a pall over nuclear power. And other serious accidents, such as that at Fukushima in Japan in 2012, the only other incident to score a maximum of 7 in the International Nuclear Event Scale, are weighed against it. It also set in train a series of measures to ensure nuclear safety around the world. Now the whole site is about to be encased inside a vast structure known as the sarcophagus, sealing in some of the most dangerous waste material in the world for at least 100 years. The project has been more than 2 decades in the making. One of the distinguished guests is Vince Novak, the Director of Nuclear Safety at the European Bank of Reconstruction and Development. Novak was in his 30s when the accident happened. Now in his late 60s, he is here to watch his life's work literally slide into place. The behemoth 35,000-ton structure beside us has spent the past few days inching along a set of purpose-built tracks towards its final destination. This sarcophagus, or new Safe Confinement, NSC, is taller than the Statue of Liberty and larger than Wembley Stadium. But what it resembles most is a very large metal shed. Its appearance belies its historic importance, however. The NSC is not only the largest object people have ever moved, it's also a symbol of what we can achieve when the stakes are highest. It is hoped the sarcophagus will draw a line under this catastrophic chapter in the history of nuclear energy. Yet when the idea of building a vast structure at Chernobyl's ground zero, where radiation levels are still hazardous, was first put forward in the 90s, people thought it was crazy.